Each child has a gift to serve the world, and we know that. Way deep inside, we're children, but you have a gift to give. And when you're in that flow, you know that you're in your right work. Everybody here matters. It's not your typical school. The component districts work very hard as well, but they don't have the plus in that we have experts in whole children. They're not typical. They're beautiful beings. We don't fix them, but we have a chance to come together to create these learning experiences and to continue to create together. We're diving into a whole brain, whole child, deeper learning in action day. So enjoy it, and let's have some fun.
The flow for today is all based on the essential question: how do we design deeper learning experiences that are playful and embrace the dignity of all learners? I offer these 5 commitments, which are our ways of being together for the next day. Be present and take care of yourself. It's not often that teachers have the ability to really listen to their bodies. So today, listen to your body. Step into a brave space. You've already done that. Embrace play and the possibility of joy. Really develop our understanding together, and those are all connected, right? The more we share our reflections and our wonderings, the more we'll learn from and with each other. And this last one comes from BOCES, from working with Ulster BOCES. One of the teams said, we really want to recognize the expertise in ourselves and in each other.
The idea of the whole brain, whole child is great because it talks about the expertise that every single person, whether it's a paraprofessional, a teacher, a student, a parent, brings to the equation, and how we're all here on this learning journey together, and being able to share that with one another and really try to leverage some more deeper learning opportunities for the kids around us.
Being part of this work and working the whole brain, whole child is so important for our schools and for our students. We've had adults here getting into the learning and really digging deeper into creating really rich learning experiences for our students that go beyond, what the typical learning day might look like in other places.
Events like these allow me to continue that lens of seeing the child, seeing the student as an individual, meeting them where they are, and it reinforces the importance on that and my role as an occupational therapist in my unique lens in seeing them just the way they are.
So when we do opening circles and closing circle, right, the purpose is theoretically so we can see everybody, that we can close and have our energy and our faces towards each other. Really grateful for today, so thank you everyone for attempting with this amoeba type circle. So we're going to just say our I promise statement. Is there anyone who would like to start us off?
I promise to always put our students first.
I promise to always help my colleagues when needed.
I promise to always use play and to listen to my students on what they think play is.
Yay.
I promise to let my students lead.
I promise to keep joy at the center of my teaching.
I promise to partner with all in our learning community to develop understanding together.
I promise to always listen when my students are teaching me how to play.
I promise to support the teachers for the work that has to be done.
I promise to cultivate joy and laughter in our schools.
I promise to work hard and to play hard. Or is that the same thing?
I just want to thank everybody. It was an awesome day. So oftentimes we talk about kids being in survival mode, and if you are in creation mode, you're not in survival mode. So oftentimes the things that you do daily, like centering them, mindfulness, really being with them, just looking at them, they are the critical pieces that you're already doing. Even as adults, we want to be able to express our true essence, and that's what your gift is. You want to be able to show up who you are, not having to worry about, am I saying something right? Am I doing something right? Having all these materials and resources levels the equity. And so I honor what you do every day, and I know you're already doing this, so thank you.